The Mixed Reality Toolkit for Unity and for Unreal both have their own GitHub repos. That's a place where you can file bugs and make feature requests, so you can actually influence which features we design next. Now, if you want to stay up to date on what's happening, you can check out our documentation on docs.microsoft.com. You can check out tutorials on the MS Learn platform. We also released a YouTube series made with MRTK where you can learn how to build your own mixed reality apps. You can follow us on Twitter at Mixed Reality Dev, that's MXD Reality Dev, or you can join the Holo Developer Slack channel where there's a bunch of people who are passionate about mixed reality, talking about what they're building, asking questions, and helping each other. We love to hear from our community, and we would love to hear from you.